My name is Ben Moore, aka Be More Photos. The style of photography I shoot, I would say, would be urban architecture. And I'm very excited to be shooting with the Nikon Z5. I've got a real hunger for shooting and getting the shot, basically that no one would try and dare to do. I like to push the boundaries of photography, risk it all basically. So I'm a bit of a daredevil when it comes to shooting. I'm holding the Nikon Z5. Attached is the 24-50 f4 to 6.3. This lens is amazing. You've got wide with the 24. You've also got tight with the 50. Portraits and architecture, you can shoot with this lens. And look, it's almost a pancake lens. This is like, weighs next to nothing. When you hold it like this and you have this little portable setup, it's really kind of like, it feels like a point and shoot, you know? It's really small, you've got a little zoom. It's really nice, it's really cool. I feel like you could get this into certain places where you probably won't get a DSLR and be able to get some really cool shots. Full frame, 24 megapixel, can't go wrong. I currently shoot with the Z7, but if I was to get a Z5, I think how it would fit with me is that it may be a camera I take to kind of scout some shots. So because it would be like a lightweight setup, I could basically walk around with it, no bag, just the lens. The common features that the Z7 and the Z5 have is the size and the grip. They've got this nice grip. The feel of it, so it feels and all the buttons are in the same place as the Z7. So getting to know the camera took maybe 2 seconds. It was just that there was a dial instead of the LCD, but once you know where all the buttons are, you don't really need the LCD no more, because it's all in the EVF as well. As soon as you look through the EVF, you can make a quick shutter speed adjustment, and you're kind of got the correct exposure. So I feel the EVF makes it kind of too easy, really. Yeah, you don't really have to check your settings anymore. Yeah, the EVF is like, it's a bit scary because it's almost like optical. It looks like it's optical. They're so sharp, like, it's so true to the image. You can use all the lenses from the Z range, plus you've got the F to Z adapter, and we can use all the F-mount glass. You can use the knots on this, like an 8 grand, like, yeah, it's really good. It's a really good idea. For people who are on DX and they want to go into full frame and mirrorless, I feel it's a good setup. How I feel about being one of the first people with the Z5, it feels amazing. Like it's like an honor, so, you know, for Nikon to say, look, come and use our camera, and before it's even out. Yeah, it's a nice camera.